Saving with Shay. Almost didn't make it here, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I was getting my steps this morning, trying to muster up some deals, and I was just like, I don't know. Because as you know, Ibotta is a little quiet. It's like a little desert, you know. And for those of us, including myself, where your app is just not working as it should, as it was once intended. Oh wait, did I say subscribe? And I didn't. Hello? Look, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this Lily Fisher, I am Shay with the pal. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash that button, support your girl. And of course, don't forget to hype your girl up. So yeah, so Ibotta, yeah, my Ibotta's still not working. I've done just about everything I can think of. And I have offers that just never unclipped once I did them. And so therefore they're not resetting. So I can rely on resets, which I've always been able to do. And I think that's one thing I loved about it. But as of now, and it's like, I'm low-key scared to do deal squeak. I know they're not gonna reset. And it's like, by the weekend, y'all, I don't even know if I'm gonna have anything to do by the weekend. Unless of course we get some new offers, which I'm really hoping for. And so what I want to mention, big thank you to those of you who watched my last reorganizing video, clean with me video for my stockpile, y'all. It was depressing. And I wasn't even going in the garage because I know how depressing it was going in there. And so, and for those of you who are asking, that's not the permanent place for my stockpile. My stockpile, all personal hygiene stuff is always kept inside. Y'all know I'm in a high flipping desert. It gets hot up here. And my garage is not air conditioned. And so I don't trust anything personal hygiene out there for any extended amount of time. And so once they do the floors and everything, I'm gonna put everything back in the house. It's just that in the meantime, I need it to function for me. And I told you, I don't have OCD, but I have OCD tendencies. I would never diagnose myself with OCD because I don't know how that is, and I can even imagine. But I have tendencies. And so when it's a mess, I feel like my life is a mess. When your house is a mess, you's a mess. And so I had to do that. And so again, thank you for those of you who watched that video. It was definitely a long one, but to be honest, if I hadn't decided to record it, I probably wouldn't have gotten done that day for sure. And so if you haven't watched it, definitely go watch my last video. So as far as today, I need 18 offers for $5. I'm not even halfway through that larger bonus, y'all, so I really don't know how likely it is that I'm gonna hit that bonus. I don't even know if I'm gonna hit the bonus that I have today, to be honest, but I'm gonna try to just get stuff that I gotta get anyway. So that's kind of what my goal is today. I don't have very many coupons. I only printed one coupon that I'm gonna use today. And so with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got here today, hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up. Yeah, so this first deal here is on the Bob's Red Mill Cake. I just remembered this is the store that doesn't carry it. We have a free offer for Social Nature if you haven't did it yet. There's two different ones. One is the Blondie, and I believe that one's priced at $4-ish and change. The other one is the regular cinnamon twirl one, like this one right here, which looks bomb. That one's priced about $5 something. I want to say it's $5.24. I'm getting that back on Social Nature. We do have an offer on aisle for $175. I'll have a link, and I'll pin the link in the comments. Making it $1.75 money maker, which is pretty awesome. Now what I did is I just submitted the receipt that I did last week, and I got back the $175, and so definitely is not a bad deal. All right, y'all, so this next deal here is on the Weathers. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this deal, but I figured, hey, why not? I'm low-key still hoping that this offer goes up on the sister apps, because normally the longer an offer is around, the higher it tends to go up, and then it just crashes. But anyway, so look, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a total of, I'll probably max it out, grab 4. Getting back $8 on one of the sister apps, bringing them down to only 8 cents per bag. All right, so next up is the Light and Fit. I actually just tried this one here, the toasted marshmallow one. I found one on markdown at Food for Less, and I grabbed some of them. That one's really, really good. I was excited to do this deal, but I can't find the birthday cake flavor. There's 2 different offers on Ibotta. Getting back 25 cents. One is specifically for the birthday one, and then the other one is for any of the other flavors, I believe. So if you get one of each flavor at $128, you'll pay $2.56. You'll get back 25 cents for each, plus a 50-cent bonus for buying the two. Would bring them down to 78 cents each. The limit is 5 per flavor. I'm thinking of just getting the set of the other flavors, and then hopefully I can find the birthday cake one. All right, y'all. It's just too crowded in here. They must be doing inventory today. My anxiety is so freaking high. You know, I be feeling weird when people get too close to me. Like, give me my space, you know? Give me my space. Anyway, so this deal is on the update energy drinks. I did this in my last video, and I just wanted to re-mention it because they are so freaking good. I got the grape, and I drank them both, of course. They're priced at, what are they priced at? They're priced at $2.88. You're grabbing two, you'll pay $5.76. There's a free offer on aisle. And then we'll have 50 cents back for each on Ibotta, making them 94 cents each. I feel like they were cheaper at the other store, though. All right, so this next deal is on the Beech Nut Puffies. Doesn't look like we carry them. Anyways, they're priced at $2.48. We have a free offer on Social Nature, and then we also have 75 cents back on Ibotta, making it a 75-cent moneymaker. All right, another thing I can't find. I could have swore they had this at this store. It's on the Beech Nut. It's on the little pouches. You have to grab the beef flavor one specifically. It's priced at $2.28. We have an OTC. It's buy 4, save 2. I know Amy did say that it's working on one. So if you were to grab one at $2.28, you'd pay 28 cents after the OTC, and then you would get back 50 cents on Ibotta and $1 on Fetch, which would make it $1.22 moneymaker. And so, yeah, I'll have a link in the, I'll pin a link. So I'm actually excited about this deal. I kind of been sitting on it, you know, trying to decide if I want to do it, but I figured I'm gonna buy a protein shake anyways. I might as well get a good deal on it. So I'm gonna grab the Ensure Max protein. It's priced at $27.97. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. That total is gonna come to $55.94. Yes, I know it's high, but look, it's something I'm gonna buy anyways. Again, I might as well get it on a deal. So I printed a couple of these printables from the Ensure website when you sign up. So that's gonna bring that total down to $49.97. There's a buy one get one free offer on Ibotta, so you'll get back $27.97, making them only $9.98 per pack. God, ain't nothing over here. I was hoping I could find some CoverGirl clearance, but listen, y'all, they ain't got nothing over here. Nothing on nothing on nothing. You want a hoe? Is this what it's called, a hoe? Oh, it's called a bow. For $10, how much is the regular price? $12.97. Yeah, they have nothing over here. Absolutely nothing. You want beach chair? We got you covered. Beach chair? You want beach chair? Yeah, I thought I'd find something over here, so I guess not. All right, so I totally forgot to record this deal in store. It's on the CoverGirl, which is why I went to clearance to see if I could find any on clearance. And so the face is $5.97, so is the eye product. We have $2 back on Ibotta for each of them. We also have $3 on Swagbucks for each of them, and $3 on Checkout 51 as well for each of them. It's going to make them both a $2.03 moneymaker. Now, lately, I have been doing the sister app first, and then I submit on Checkout 51. And for those of you who've been asking, with Be Frugal, you cannot submit the same receipt to that one as the other sister apps because they are all sisters. And so, yeah. All right, y'all. So this is the only aisle where ain't nobody on. But I'm telling you, my anxiety is high. It's super high. Oh, I did find some peelies. I was watching Miss Danielle this morning, and I found a couple of the $1 peelies. Look, I stuck them in my box. See them right there for Dial? So big shout out to Miss Danielle for sharing that. Every time I come, I forget to look. So let me run through this real quick because I'm not even going to do this at home. So this is all that I'm getting today. Everything you see here will retail $82.60. I'll hopefully be able to use the $8 in coupons, which will bring the total down to $74.60, getting back $33.22 from Ibotta, $18.88 from PayPal. Swagbucks is $14. Checkout 51 is $6.80, and Frisbee is $5.10. getting back a total of $78 will make this a $3.40 money maker, which is definitely not bad. I didn't come close to hitting my bonus. I think I only got 5, 6, 7, 8 offers. So yeah, I would need a whole 10 more just to hit it, which we ain't gonna do. And so with that being said, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button over the door. In the comments, I want to see cake in the comments if you make it to the end. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.